If you want to change call background on Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all we need to go to the phone app. Once you open the phone app, over here in the upper right corner or slightly below, you should be able to find three dots. You want to tap on them and go to settings. Over here in call settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit. Actually, we don't have to scroll down. We can immediately find call background option in here. If needed, select your SIM, and then in here we can see the preview of the current background. You can tap on the background option over here at the bottom of the screen, and you can either use one of these featured images, or you can choose a picture from your gallery. So you can choose anything you want to. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We can still adjust the photo or picture. You can zoom in and zoom out and then use your finger in order to reposition the picture. And once you are ready, once you set it up, you can just tap on Set as Call Background at the bottom of the screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.